Hey everyone, it's Corey from Linda's, and I am here with Linda in her beautiful studio here in Star Valley, Wyoming.
Hi everybody.
And today we are taking a look at the heart template on how you can do incredible borders and overall designs. Stay tuned.
I see hearts here. I love this little
Little cat.
embroidery so much. Yeah, so I want to just show how you can use your template. Like you have a big border,
Yeah.
you know, you got to fill that in.
Right.
And you don't have time to just work on stuff, you know? So I'm just going to go and I'm just going to place these hearts wherever I want them. I'm going to do them randomly. So all I have to do is just come to a stop, put my heart there, and I want them turned every which way, okay? And I am in constant, I should probably be in. But you know what? Look how good I'm doing in constant.
You got a lot of practice.
Let's just stay there. Oh, look at that. That's awesome. I'll come around here. I'm going to work my way up to the top. Like that, and stop there so I can make this heart this way. I do stop at that point to make sure I have a point. Yeah. There we go.
So good.
Isn't that awesome? And you know, I just can't make a perfect heart. I mean, I could do hearts.
But it's so much easier with the template.
Well, of course. Come around here like this. And of course, if I really wanted to fancy it up, I could go back and feather those too.
Ooh.
Yeah, but I don't want to fancy them up. But isn't that just, I mean, that's just a perfect,
So easy.
fun border.
Yeah, you can just work around the whole entire quilt like that.
Yeah, actually you could do a whole overall pattern like on a baby quilt or something.
Oh, across
Just
the,
doing
yeah,
that.
Just doing that and having
Putting
fun
them
with
wherever
it.
you want.
Yeah.
That's awesome. These are really wonderful little templates.
So Linda, when you were doing the segment with the freehand here in the border, I saw an opportunity for this heart, besides just the overall heart design.
Oh,
So I
good.
want to do a diamond effect in this little sashing here.
Okay.
So first thing I'm going to do, take my 4x8 ruler, which has those incredible markings on it. We love the 4x8. Find our center portion, give myself a good mark, and come through and mark that. Now this is a white pencil on white fabric, so we just have to get a little bit of a darker effect, and we'll be able to see the line just fine.
Great.
Just like that. So now what I'm going to do is put my machine right on the point where the needle would drop down.
Okay.
On that chalk line. So
Yeah,
I'll
you can
roll
actually put the needle down.
so it
Yeah.
stays there. And then I'm going to put my heart with the point facing towards the foot right there. Grab some masking tape and line that up right on that seam,
Oh, yes.
so I know where I need to put this every single time.
That really makes it very accurate.
That way I don't have to guess.
Good.
Okay?
Yep.
So I'll pull up my thread. And we're
Okay.
going to start down here.
Using the other side of the heart.
Yeah. I just,
Okay.
when you were going with that, I saw an opportunity.
Okay.
So I said I'm going to give it a shot.
I can't wait to see it.
So we're going to get that lined up again. Putting that masking tape line right on the seam line.
Right on your seam.
Yep. And then we're just going to have a good time. So we're in regulated mode. Right up to that point. And down.
Down to your seam. Okay.
And then shift over. Just like that. Right up to that point. Pause and down to the seam.
Okay.
Just like that. So then I'm going to travel. I'm going to grab our 4x8, travel up, just like that. Come in just a hair because we had a little bit, about 1/4 of an inch there. And then take this and do the same thing.
Go the opposite way.
Yeah. So lining that up.
Making sure that that 1/4 inch, so you just hit the tip of that last one,
Right.
Yes.
Rotate
Awesome.
over. Holding good steady pressure. on that. And then going up. Just like that. Great fun little diamonds all the way
Yes, and I would fill those in.
down. Okay,
of course.
What should we fill them in with?
Oh, you know what? Juxtaposed to it would be maybe a little curl inside and then go through
Okay,
and do that. Or you could do it on the outside.
let's do it on the inside.
Okay.
So we'll come on down.
Geometric designs are so fun.
A little curl.
There you go. Oh, that's nice.
All the way through.
That made a great sashing idea. That could also be, by making it bigger, even a 6-inch border or whatever, depending on the size of the heart that you have.
Right. I think we should also throw some ribbon candy in the background.
Okay.
Too. You and I, we like dense quilting.
Yes.
We love dense quilting. So I've thrown myself back into constant. We're just going to do that ribbon candy.
Oh, it looks so nice. Oh, look at that. On point squares.
On point. All the way down. Now, since we're just doing straight lines, I'm okay being in constant for this. All the way. And we're going to jump right over, and then ribbon candy again.
That really raises those designs up. Sometimes, I'll think I have a little border, so I have to do something in there, and then I have to do something else in the other border, but
Right.
look how nice that looks. You can just do that overall. It's
Something
great.
easy. It's so good.
Yeah, I love it.